When you are in an inventory that you want to bulk edit via importing a file, start by clicking on the Import Items button. Then click on the Export All Items button and choose the file type to export all of your current inventory items data. You will receive an email with the exported file. Review and make any necessary changes to the items data in the file. Some things to keep in mind. Make sure the first row of your imported file includes the names of the columns of your SciNote inventory. So be sure not to change these. Columns item ID, added by, created on, updated by, archived by, and archive on are all system defined and system generated. You can leave these columns empty in your imported file. They will automatically be updated in SciNote during the import process. CSV exports have the dates exported in the same format that the user set in their individual user preferences. This also means that if importing to the inventory from a CSV, the date in the file must match the preference format to import correctly. If they do not match, the dates won't import. When working with an Excel format, as shown here, the date should be day, month, year. Additionally, file columns, item relationship columns, and columns with the range setting for date and time, and so on, cannot be imported into SciNote via an Excel or CSV import. Now, once your changes have been made and your file has been saved, go back into SciNote and click Import to select the file from your device, or simply drag and drop it into the blue box area. Next, you will map the data to match the columns of your uploaded file to the columns of your SciNote inventory. SciNote will automatically map the columns by matching the column names from your imported file to the ones in your SciNote inventory. However, you can always do it manually by clicking the column drop-downs and selecting the SciNote column name. As mentioned before, these columns are automatically generated by SciNote, so you can leave them empty. Review the mapped columns and click Confirm to continue with the import. Matched columns that are set to fully import are marked with the check mark. Those that will not import are shown with the X symbol in the status column. From this pop-out, you can also do a final review of the imported data. The preview indicates in green which items are newly added, as well as which items will be updated after clicking Import. Any detected errors are marked in red. For example, items with the same or a non-existent item ID in the file, or items with no name. These items or rows will be automatically admitted. However, you can still import all the other data. If you have any unchanged or archived items, they will be marked in black. A final thing to consider when bulk updating items via import: the data in your import file will override the existing data in your SciNote inventory. This action cannot be undone. We recommend exporting your current inventory data beforehand in case you need to revert to any changes. Once your import is reviewed, click Import to finalize the changes to your inventory items and complete the item data edit via import.